In this episode, we sort some of the issues out with the van and also do a few upgrades. We're currently bored of our kitchen setup, so we decided that we're going to change it. So this is our kitchen setup right now. Quite plain, very boring.
These are the tiles that we're wanting to buy. I think they're really fancy. they're very pretty, very nice, and they're gonna look really nice in that space.
We've also had a slight issue with the van. The alternator belt is torn, so I need to replace that too.
We're super happy with these ones, so we're definitely gonna order these ones. They're $32.99, which ain't too bad. Oh, we get 10% off, and they're gonna come tomorrow, which I'm very happy about.
Someone's a happy bunny. She loves shopping.
They're in our basket. I'm gonna buy them.
So a quick walkthrough of what needs to be done in order to put them in when they come. We need to take the window frame apart. We also need to do the trim where the wood sits for the sockets.
I'm so excited to get it all done.
The weather hasn't been that good, to be fair, over the last couple of days, so I've not been able to get it done. I've been waiting for about 4 days to get it done now. It's just been miserable weather. I am currently dressed appropriately to do the alternator belt. That there is the alternator belt, and that is what we're going to be replacing, as well as the belt to the left. Wish me luck. Both belts are off now. It's quite easy. We took the bottom cover off, and there's it off. Just needs replacing, putting new ones on. Overall, pretty easy job, to be honest. I'm nearly done, Pudding.
Yay! It's not took you long at all, actually, which is very good.
Yeah, it doesn't take me long, to be honest. Wink, wink.
Stop it. For God's sake.
Still waiting for these tiles to come as well, so hopefully by the time I've done this, the tiles come so I can do the tiles.
It's going to make the kitchen look 10 times better.
I also, because she's buying stuff, I want to buy wallpaper for the bathroom wall there.
He's thinking of Marvel wallpaper.
Yeah, Marvel wallpaper would look sick there.
What do you guys think? I'm not sure.
This is the main one that I want to change. As you can tell, it is ripped, but also, if you look closely when I do this, see all that? It was due to go. It's a good job that I changed it. Both belts changed, so we can actually start moving and get on the road, because we've been stuck in one spot for so long now. It's pecking our heads. That's the culprit. Fling down our way.
Woohoo! We're so excited! We can finally move again. We're very happy about it.
The alternator belt is done. Brand spanking new belts. Jobs are good in. And we're also at our park up. Lucy's also really excited because something has come in the post. Ah, my foot is trapped. Ouchie! Oh, almost fell then. Well, that's not good, is it?
They've finally come! Yay! They look really good, actually. Now let's check what they'll look like. I think they're gonna look really good. Really fancy.
Yeah, they'll probably look alright, to be fair, once they're done. If I get it right.
I hope you don't mess it up, Dave. I want a nice, good kitchen, please.
That's a job for tomorrow, that is. We're gonna have tea.
And enjoy this beautiful park up. And I'm also very excited to put these on tomorrow and see the kitchen looking all snazzy. Good night.
The tiles are going up today.
They've started doing it already. I'm so excited. It's going to look amazing.
What am I doing?
I'm going to show it now if you shut up.
Whoop whoop! It runs in bits. It's dirty though. It's weird to see it off. I like it though. Oh wow, that looks well weird. There's more room. That looks like so much space. I like that opened up. It's nice. I love it. That was so freaking satisfying.
The next step is to measure the tiles up to the right size of the kitchen wall and then pretty much just put them on. As you can tell, our Stanley life clearly isn't very good. Do you not think we'd do a better job with scissors?
Probably.
I'll get the scissors. I think that looks really good.
I mean, it looks wonky.
It's not going to look wonky once it's all done though.
I don't know.
Bear in mind, we're not professionals, so a bit of DIY, hoping it'll look good. Maybe it won't. I love Dave's concentration face. Yeah, that's pretty good. Well done.
So how about this?
Agreed, we're not very good at like lining them up and making them fit right, but we're doing it. We'll see what the finished product looks like.
It's mainly that. Making sure that
Yeah, I don't think we have any more we can mess up because we've only just got enough.
That's the wrong way. Is it the wrong way?
Side, which is right.
So this is what we got so far. We're doing such a good job. It's so hard to get it precise, but we're doing a good job.
They smell. How strange. But no, it looks absolutely amazing.
We took 2 hours.
We're over halfway through already. Yay!
Once it's sticking down, it'll look good, that. So we've done the tiles now. We're just putting the window back to how it was. Next thing to put in is these, where the window clips in.
I'm so happy with the kitchen. It looks absolutely beautiful and I'm so happy. It just looks so good. I have no other words. I'm just really happy with it. It makes the van feel way more homely as well. And Dave was saying he feels like it brings in a bit more light into the van, which I love too.
Yeah, I love it. It's like I say, it's because it's bright and white. It'll bring and reflect more light in, so it's a good upgrade. One of many that we've got to come. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button for when we do future uploads.
And don't forget to comment what you like.
That's it for now. See you in the next one.